On this lesson, we're going to create a different design for a t-shirt. So let's first find a mockup. Here on Pixiden, you can find this baby t-shirt PSD mockup. So just download the mockup and it's going to be opened into a Photoshop file. So let's go there. Now in here, I am going to see my mockup right there. And I'm going to teach you how to use it. Of course, if you post a photo or something, you have to give credit. But here you can find put your design here. And now this is the area where you are going to be placing your design. So let's go back into Illustrator and now let's work with the rabbit. So Ctrl C to cut it, or copy it actually, and here Ctrl V to paste it. Now let's place it around here, and now I need to find a good font to add a message. So let's go again to Font Squirrel, and one that I like is this Vanilla Font Free. So you can find it for free there, and just download it. And once you do that, go to your type tool, and let's actually decrease the size, and type something like hopping around. Now here I can actually change the font to my vanilla regular. And if you don't see the around, it's because my paragraph settings are different. So let's select everything. Let's go here to my font. And let's go and find my paragraph settings here. You can see that my distance is too big, so let's change this one to auto. So it seems to be a glitch here, so I may need to type this again because the around is not changing, so that's a problem. So let's go and type this again. Hopping around. Now I need to make the around a little bit bigger and have this width to be 0. Let's make the around a little bit bigger, and I think that's okay. So I can go Ctrl T to transform it and make it a little bit bigger. So around there. Now I need to space them out a little bit and make the around a little bit bigger, just a tad. So once this looks like something you want, I can go and create a new layer, then go to my brush tool, and then let's make some little lines here on the sides of the rabbit. So maybe 2 on each side, making like these action lines are going to make it look as if the rabbit is hopping around. So you could just save it and go see how your design has been applied to the little t-shirt. Of course, it's a little bit too on the bottom, so I can select everything, move it a little bit to the top, and actually scale it down a little bit, and save it. Now let's go and see. It's a little bit to the top, and I also accidentally leave the area. So let's go back here and move it a little bit down, save it, and a little bit more down, because it's a little bit too close to the neck. I think that's okay. So now this mockup allows you to change the color of the shirt. So let's go and change the color. Maybe you want to do a purple, a light purple, or a pink, whatever color you want. In my case, I'm gonna pick a light purple. Then I'm gonna press OK, and I can also change the color of the buttons. So let's pick the dark purple. And in just no time, with the help of a free mockup, you now have the design of a t-shirt that you could sell online or with your friends and family. So on the next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create your own wrapping paper using a free mockup. So see you there.